Moving on, the last thing that I want to talk about, or almost the last thing, sorry, is the eye blinks, right? And that's, we call it in the camera, it's called shutter speed. And there's an actual shutter in some cameras that make that sound when you take the picture. So that's the shutter, and the shutter priority, you can actually modify the shutter and you'll be able to change the shutter. So right here, maybe you can see there's a number, and it goes up and down. And so a really fast shutter is something like 1,000th of a second, and so it'll often say 1/1000. And a really slow shutter will be like 1, and it'll be like 1 and like 2 little dots above it, and that basically says like a second. And you can go up to like 30 seconds or even bulbs to really allow it to open for a long time, maybe like to catch stars. Or you want to catch really fast action, you know, like your daughter is twirling, or maybe your son is in a sports competition, or maybe you want to catch that deck of the skateboard twisting, and so you will want a really fast shutter speed. And so you increase the shutter speed, so make it really fast, so the number is really high. It'll be 1/2000, 1/3000. You'll be able to catch those droplets falling. But remember, the faster that blink is, the less light goes onto the camera. So now you can use aperture, you know, have wider aperture, faster shutter speed, and compensate the two to get the kind of shot that you want. And so that's third component of the eye, right, is the shutter speed. So now you know what shutter speed means.